In this video, you are going to see how to remove the unwanted X from the signature line in Microsoft Word, as you can see here. Let's get started. I can increase or decrease its size very easily. So let's get started. If I go to Insert and if I go to the signature line, click on Microsoft Office signature line, and if I write the name and here the designation, and if I click on the OK, you will see an unwanted X has been added. I don't need this, so I can apply another trick. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let me write here the name and the designation. Select it. If you want, you may bold it. You can change the font size. Now select the name, go to Home and go to over here and choose this option, Top Border. Let us remove the text box. Click on over here, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it No Outline, and go to Shape Fill, make it No Fill. Now if you want to increase the border size, let us select it, go to Home, go to over here again and go to Border and Shading. From here you can increase the border size and click on only the top border and click on OK. Then the line will be bold. Now if you want to increase or decrease its size, you can make it very easily and you can move it anywhere. And you can make it in the center. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.